Hello guys! So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to find trending products to sell on your Shopify store. Why trending products matter? Before you start a Shopify store, the most important step is choosing the right product. A good product can make your store take off, and a bad product can kill your sales instantly. You don't want something that's already outdated, and you also don't want a trend that disappears in a week. So in this video, I'm going to show you simple ways to find products that have real demand, steady growth, and a good profit potential. The first place to check product demand is Google Trends. Open a new tab, then go to trends.google.com. Once you're inside, click on the Explore tab, then set the location to where all your customers or audience are located. For this example, I'm going to use United States. You can also change the time frame to past 12 months or past 5 years if you want a long-term view. Now type any product idea into the search bar right here. If you want to look for a chart that has a steady or increasing trend, doesn't have only one huge spike and then drops, and has interest in multiple states, not just one location. You can also check the other related queries to see similar products customers are searching for in this part right here. For example, let's go ahead and click on Nintendo Switch 2. If the interest line is rising consistently, that's a good sign. Unfortunately, as you can see here, it dropped from June to August. The next step is you need to see how people are reacting to the product on social media. I want you to open another tab, then search for a hashtag that says something like TikTok made me buy it. Press enter, then click on any links that would direct us to a TikTok video to access the hashtag. Look for high engagement, real customer reactions, positive comments, and videos showing the products in view. For example, if you see multiple videos going viral, that's a strong indicator that the product has a real demand in the US market. Let's click on something like this one. As you can see here, it had 800,000 likes and 8,000 comments. We're going to take this retro console as an example product from TikTok. Let's go ahead and copy it or just type it out on Google Trends. Let's go back to the Google Trends tab, remove Nintendo Switch, then type in the keyword in the search term. If both TikTok plus Google Trends match, that's an excellent sign. Additionally, you can see the interest line of the retro console to rise. After confirming the demand, the last step is checking if the product is profitable. You can use tools like Dropship.io, TP-Spy, Minea, CVA, Pexda, and Trade Alert. So the tools that I mentioned earlier show what other Shopify stores are selling, whether the product is trending, estimated sales performance, and if the product has a long-term potential. Your goal is to choose a product that sells for 3 to 4 times more than your cost price. This gives you enough room for ads, shipping, and profit. The simple formula to pick winning products before you launch any product, make sure it passes this checklist. Number 1, Google Trends shows stable or growing interest. Number 2, TikTok or other social media shows real customer reaction. Number 3, Amazon reviews can confirm real demand. Number 4, profit margin is 3 to 4 times your cost. And number 5, which is the last, not too competitive but still active. If a product passes all 5 checks that I said earlier, it's worth testing. Now that you know how to check demand, validate trend, and confirm profit margin, you can start building your Shopify store around the product that actually has potential. You can repeat this exact process anytime you want to research a new niche or find a new winning product. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.